Sophie, don't do that. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome to this week's video. We have a little bit of a guest star. This is our new puppy, Sophie. She's in the habit of chewing everything at the moment, so she's just going to be here being entertained by oh my god, Sophie, I'm not a chew toy. So this week we were in Bratislava, which is really cool. Our little guest star has left us. She's now chewing all of the cables. Anyway, so in today's video we are going to be having a look at the town of Bratislava, which is in Slovakia. So don't forget to click those like and subscribe buttons down below if you're enjoying my content. And also I would love to hear from you guys where you would love to be traveling in the world this week. Comment below and let me know what your favorite destination or your dream destination is. I know that we're all kind of stuck at home at the moment, but I would love to know where you guys would love to be. Jane doesn't have a bag.
Sorry.
It was a handle, yeah. Now look, it's this.
Jen, I'm sorry.
What?
She's such a mom. Look at her jacket just flapping in the wind.
So we've just gotten off the bus in Bratislava, and it is cold as hell. So much colder than Budapest. It's freezing.
I think so.
Yeah.
Already.
Yeah. I'm not dressed like I was in Budapest, so that might be the issue.
I only have one coat on.
Yeah.
Welcome to Bratislava. We are not so sure what we just got ourselves into. I'm excited. It's a new city, and I've never heard of anyone that's come here, so we're very trendy.
I kind of really need the bathroom, but I really don't want to go in the bus station because it looks kind of dodgy. So our accommodation in Bratislava was a place called Hostel Blues. It's a really small hostel, but it's actually really adorable. So everything is music themed. It is such a cute hostel. Like everywhere there's these cute little like murals of music. Reception was so nice, like gave us recommendations. It was so cool. So we're going to be chilling here for the next 2 days. There's music notes like on the walls, and at the reception there's a really cute coffee shop, so we really enjoyed staying there. It was very clean, very nice. Cute little record stuff.
You would say I gave up way too soon.
On our first day while we were walking around, we actually stumbled across the old market hall, which is just outside of the center of town. And it's so cute because on the weekends they have like a massive market where they've got local vendors coming to sell products. So one of the amazing products that we found was somebody was making these like blue cheese cracker biscuits. I almost died when I tasted them. They were delicious. So if you're ever able to get to the old market hall on a Saturday or a Sunday, look out for her. I couldn't figure out what the store name was or how to find the store, so I'm just gonna like put the picture that I have of the tag. I'll put it on this side, and hopefully you guys will be able to find them because they were really, really delicious. Also, please excuse the bruises. I'm actually a dancer, so I'm busy trying out some new routines, and unfortunately the floors at home are less forgiving than the floors in the studio. We'll just put it that way.
This is so good.
Very good with wine.
This is really good. Oh my god.
Wow. Love one of those. We just tried the most amazing crackers. They're called blue cheese crackers. They are incredible. Wow. You're just really happy there's so much cheese, aren't you? You just stick your finger in there without a toothpick.
I didn't mean to.
This little lady just stuck her finger in the cheese.
I'm excited.
This one's different, I think.
So good.
What's this? Just tastes like
These are like
I don't understand why this always happens to me. I'm like trying to film like a really pretty steady shot, and as I'm filming it, I'm just sneezing epically all the time. our video? Do you want to let everyone know where you're from?
Oh yeah, I'm from Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Right?
It's brilliant.
Yeah.
You got to ask
I wasn't
these
there
two.
ever, so I'm just kidding. Yeah. I'm from Slovakia, east of the country.
I finally got Sophie to sleep, which is great. So something that we did in every single city that we went to was free walking tours. It's amazing because you get to do a really incredible tour with very knowledgeable guides, and it's based on a tip basis. So you tip what you think the tour is worth. So if you're a student or on a low budget traveling trip, really great option to do just so that you can get some culture and history in. We did our Bratislava walking tour with a company called Be Free Tours. We did the Bratislava Castle and Old Town tour and had the most amazing guide. Her name was Sasha, so if you do go on a tour there, please ask for her. She's amazing. She gave us such an incredible background about the history and the culture of Slovakia, which was amazing, and I don't think we would have got with any other guide.
Here, something is missing. And we had it for a very, very long time until a couple of years ago some tourists stole it. So not anymore. The city decided not to finance it anymore because a lot of stuff is getting stolen from especially the old town. If you travel a lot, that if you look on the statue for the shiniest part of it and touch it, it should bring you luck. So,
I didn't mean that weirdly.
Hans Christian Andersen, will you marry?
That's so wrong.
So what was really great about the walking tour for us was that it actually included the history of the Jews of Bratislava. And what she did is she explained to us how World War II affected the Jewish population in Bratislava. And what was really sad is that the old synagogue was completely demolished in the center of town. So you can't see the synagogue anymore. However, they do have, I think, probably one of the most beautiful monuments commemorating all of the Jews that were lost from Bratislava, standing where the old synagogue used to be.
but what is very sad is that before the Second World War, we had quite an extensive Jewish community in Bratislava and also in Slovakia. But after, in 1939, we sided with Hitler. Slovak Jews, amongst others, were sent to concentration camps, mainly in Czech Republic, in Terezin, or in Auschwitz in Poland.
This is super crazy. Those windmills right over there are actually no longer in Slovakia. That is Austria. So after the tour, we actually went to a traditional Slovak restaurant that was recommended to us by Sasha. It was on her list. It's called Slovak Pub, and it's pretty much, it looks like nothing on the outside because you have to like walk up these little stairs and you think you're going into this tiny alley of a restaurant, and you walk inside and there's actually 5 different dining halls inside this restaurant, and the food is very traditional, very Slovakian. Okay, so we are trying traditionally Slovak food. So what we have here is garlic soup inside bread. So it's literally just soup in bread. So this is the potato dumplings. Danielle, how's your bacon? You gotta really like cheese if you live here. It's literally potato with cheese. We got bacon baked rolls, cheese and spinach baked rolls, salt baked rolls, pizza baked rolls. Ah, the baked rolls! We're at a really, really cute place called
The Parpadelle.
Le Papillon. It's absolutely adorable. Really, oh, I just stuck my hand in the camera. I'm a professional, guys. So really funny, when we walked in, basically the person was like, would you like to just eat or would you like a shisha as well? And we were like, we thought that this was a restaurant, so we're not here for shisha. Long story short, we didn't get it. Next place that we went to was called Michalska Cocktail Room, another recommendation from Sasha. We're outside what is a hidden prohibition bar in Bratislava, and it is so cool. Basically, the bar is hidden inside a cupboard on top of an urban restaurant. So the whole thing is just like super hidden, super secretive, and when you go inside, it's absolutely gorgeous. That is the entrance to the bar. It's literally inside a cupboard, and you've got to walk up like a million, well, not a million stairs, a few stairs. I like to be dramatic. The cutest little, hi Aliya. Oh, this is good lighting.
It is good lighting.
We're gonna film this here. So this is the key, friends. You've got to find the restaurant called Urban Bistro. Go upstairs and look for what looks like a closet in Urban Bistro.
It's like super cute little place.
Yeah.
It looks like Prohibition.
Didn't
era.
you feel like James Bond? I felt like James Bond.
I just like the whole like sneaking around thing. I thought was pretty cool.
Literally like we were Harry Potter in our invisible coats. And then we
And
walked
our
inside.
little like the guy, the maitre d' who runs the restaurant, had like a little like twisty mustache. And was wearing like a four.
So it's kind of like stepping into the Great Gatsby era when you were like kind of sneaking around trying to find a hidden speakeasy. If you're somebody who loves adventure and like, you know, mysteries and exploring, it's definitely something that you have to do because it kind of gives you a taste of what it was like to be living in the 1920s. Guys, would everyone take a moment to appreciate Monsieur Vent? This is me and Monsieur Vent, guys, my new bestie. Thank you so much for watching this week's video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this little taste of Bratislava and Slovakia. I do want to do a shout out to two amazing friends of mine. So the first one is my friend Aliya, who is currently doing a blog about all of the places that we've been. So you can find some more information about what we've been doing over there. I'm going to link her down below. And the second friend is called Jen, and she's currently doing a food blog, so you can find some really cool, interesting things to keep you busy and cooking, you know, while we're all in lockdown. So I'm going to link hers down below as well. And I can't wait to see you guys all again next week. And if you haven't already liked and subscribed, do so now. Bye, friends. Bye. Are you okay? I'm sorry. Did I wake you? Oh, she's angry at me that I woke her. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. It's okay. You don't need to cry.